Have you ever wondered how to download and install Visual Studio Code? This powerful editor, with its robust set of built-in features, is a favorite among developers. Today we'll guide you through the process, step by step, from downloading to installing. First things first, you need to visit the Visual Studio Code website. Type Visual Studio Code into your preferred search engine and click on the first search result. This will lead you to the official Visual Studio Code website. Once on the website, you'll see a large blue button that reads Download. This button is usually located on the home page. Click on it. As you do, you'll be directed to a new page where you can choose the version of Visual Studio Code that suits your operating system. Whether you're using Windows, Linux, or Mac, there's a version of Visual Studio Code for you. Click on the version that matches your operating system. The download will start automatically. Depending on your internet connection, this can take anywhere from a few seconds to a few minutes. After the download is complete, locate the downloaded file in your system. It usually goes to your Downloads folder unless you've specified a different location. Double-click on the downloaded file to start the installation process. The installation process is straightforward. An installation wizard will guide you through the steps. First, you'll see a license agreement. After reading through it, click on I accept the agreement and then on Next. You'll then be asked to choose the location for the installation. You can select the default location or choose a different one based on your preference. Click on Next to proceed. The next screen will ask you to select additional tasks, such as creating a desktop icon or adding Visual Studio Code to your system's path. Make your selections and click on Next. Finally, you'll reach the Ready to Install screen. Click on Install to start the installation. Once the installation is complete, click on Finish. And there you have it, Visual Studio Code downloaded and installed on your system. To summarize, the steps are: 1. Visit the Visual Studio Code website. 2. Click on Download. 1. Choose the version that matches your operating system. 1. Locate the downloaded file and double-click on it to start the installation. 1. Follow the steps in the installation wizard. 1. Click on Install and then Finish. Now you're all set to start coding with Visual Studio Code. Happy coding!